Hi, I'm Dan Beck from PT 2.0. Today we're going to be talking about our management reporting packs for businesses and how we can speed up the time to produce financial statements, consolidate them together, and actually produce some really visually appealing reports for use inside your business. So come on with the journey as we explore better management reporting. Welcome to the Management Reporting Packs by PT 2.0. These reporting packs are designed to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to bring your information out of Xero into a consolidated reporting pack without the time-consuming and cumbersome aspects of reporting manually outside of the systems. So what's the problem that we're trying to solve? Well, largely, the existing reporting is largely boring, traditional, time-consuming, and at the end of the day, it's giving you reporting, it's not giving you analysis of the business. So what are we doing about solving this problem? Well, the PT 2.0 management reporting packs are designed to take the information out of Xero consistently with a branded approach that are interactive and allow for analysis of the information rather than just reporting. They're automated and they're updated each day. So on top of that, they allow us to consolidate Xero files. They allow for segmented reporting like tracking categories or different files. There's multiple layouts because people consume information in different ways. They're designed to be conversation leading to start a discussion around a boardroom table. They allow for easy macro and micro analysis. They're easy to use. They're good looking and they use Microsoft Power BI, a powerful analytical tool, and they're based on the Etani business platform. So what we're trying to do is something different in this reporting. And now we're going to run you through what that reporting actually looks like. So welcome to the Management Report Pack. What the Management Report Pack is designed to be able to do is to be able to give you a one-stop look at your organization through a tool that allows analysis like Power BI. So here's your dashboard. What it looks at is it looks at performance as we're going throughout the year. And we're just going to point out some features as we go through. So first and foremost is the ability for this report to operate over periods of time. So we can actually go backwards and forwards in time to see what results were at any given point in time. So there's no need to keep running reports for old periods and recombining them together again. We can just flip between periods quickly and easily to see how things change. Secondly is our segmentation. So what we're able to do in these reports is we're actually able to use the tracking categories or the individual Xero files to create segmentation through the reports. So for instance, if we were looking at the North team here, we'd be able to very just quickly look at it and it would pull together the results for that particular team in that particular time period. So this makes it a great analysis tool to be able to sit down and have a good discussion with team members without having to go back and re-prepare reports all the time. We've also got things like the sales analysis, where we're able to show how the different teams are performing against, say, a rolling 12-month break even, to be able to actually see how performance is going month by month and seeing the business as a whole. Of course, if we don't want to, we can always swap and change to individual teams or organizations to compare against. We've got a nice little menu on the left here that allows us to have a look at exactly what's in the pack and quickly switch between different aspects. Now, in a lot of the reports, we have this concept of graphs and visualizations, but also fact tables. Different people like to consume information in different ways. So what we've done is we've tried to bring those different elements into the reports to make them clear, easy to use, but also valuable in terms of sitting down and looking at the actual data. And like most Power BI reports, the raw information can get exported to Excel so that you can analyze further. So by using an analysis tool like Power BI, we're now able to look at things in a different context and be able to analyze it. So for instance here, we have a report looking at month-to-date and year-to-date expenses. And what we're able to do is look at over that time period and have a look at the different teams and understand why the expense mix is actually different between each team over the period of a month or a year. And we're also able to do things like understand what the expenses are and even drill down onto those expenses to see the underlying transactions around an expense category and trying to understand exactly what makes up those expenses and understanding why we have or have not met budget. Now, as you can see, we have all kinds of reports around balance sheet, cash flow statements, debtors and creditors, as well as overall group summary reports, which in this example is trying to show us how we are performing this period against budget, as well as year to date and the prior year. Being able to get this information quickly and easily out of other platforms can take a considerable amount of time. Here, we are able to do it daily to be able to bring the information together so that you can use and analyze performance not just at the end of the month, but within a month as well. And of course, no financial reporting pack would be complete without profit and loss. In fact, in the case of the management reporting pack, there are several different profit and loss type statements, as well as balance sheet and cash flow reporting that you can choose from. Moving from traditional profit and loss to segmented profit and loss, consolidated profit and losses, as well as projections on profit and loss. Using these types of reports, we can take the actuals from months that have happened and then add in the budgets from months that are to come to be able to see what our mix of performance, budgeted versus actual, actually is. Now, this is a really quick look at the financial reporting pack. We are more than happy to do a more in-depth demo with you to try and understand your business needs and how the management reporting pack from PT2 will fit in with your organization. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to contact us at info@pt20.com.au and look forward to talking to you soon.